A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Yay! Where is the alligator? Could be this one? No. No, it's a hippo. And this? No. No, it's an elephant. Now this? No. This is a lion. Maybe this other one? No. This is a zebra. Or finally, this one? Yay! This is an alligator. Alligator. African savanna. Yay! Now, where is the panda? Could be this one? No! This is a quail. How about this one? No, this is a fox. Fox. Now this? No. This is a owl. Or finally, this one? Yay, this is a panda. Panda. Forest. Yay! A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Where is the kangaroo? What do you think about this one? No. This is a camel. Maybe this other one? No. This is iguana. Iguana. Now this one. No. This is a vulture. How about this one? Yes! Yay! It's a kangaroo. Kangaroo. Desert. Yay! Now, where is the dog? Could be this one? No. This is a rabbit. Rabbit. What do you think about this one? No. This is a sheep. Sheep. Maybe this other one? No. This is a goose. Goose. How about this one? No. This is a mouse. Mouse. And the last one? Yay! This is a dog. Dog. Farm. Yay! A. Alligator. The alligator is green. B. Bear. The polar bear is white. C. Camel. The camel is brown. D. Dog. The little dog is yellow. E. Elephant. The elephant is gray. F. Fox. The fox is red. G. Goose. The goose is white. H. Hippo. The hippo is brown. I. Iguana. The iguana is green. J. Jellyfish. This jellyfish is purple. K. Kangaroo. The kangaroo is brown. L. Lion. The lion is yellow. M. Mouse. The mouse is gray. N. Narwhal. The narwhal is blue. O. Owl. The owl is brown. P. Panda. The panda is black and white. Q. Quail. The quail is brown. R. Rabbit. The rabbits are white. S. Sheep. The sheep is white. T. Turtle. The turtle is green. U. Unicorn. The unicorn have the rainbow colors. V. Vulture. The vulture is brown. W. Walrus. The walrus is brown. X. X-ray fish. The X-ray fish is blue. Y. Jack. The jack is brown. C. And finally, zebra. The zebra are black and white. Yay! Where is the turtle? How about this one? No. This is a narwhal. Narwhal. Now this one. No. This is X-ray fish. And this one? No. It's not a turtle. It's a jellyfish. Jellyfish. Could be this one? Yay! It's a turtle. Yay! Turtle. And this is the ocean. Yay! Now, where is the polar bear? Is this? No! It's a jack. Jack. What do you think about this one? No! This is a walrus. Walrus. How about this one? This is a polar bear. Polar bear, yay! Arctic tundra. Yay! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yay! Thank you for all. See you soon. This is Toto TV.